So quickly before this video starts, I'd love to give a huge thank you and shout out to one of my great subscribers. They sent me a great Secret Santa present. It was a drone. I thank you so much. I ended up crashing my drone at the end of harvest last year and have not been able to get a new one or get this one repaired. So this great subscriber sent me a drone, and I can't thank you enough. You did not need to do that, but it really does mean a lot. I will get lots of drone footage for you, and I will put it to very good use. But it is Thursday, December 24th, the day of Christmas Eve, and I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Right behind me is the one tree here in Full Line Ag in Purdue, and I'm wearing my ugly Christmas sweater, a versatile one, of a versatile four-wheel drive, pulling Santa's sleigh. So we are full in the Christmas spirit, and this video hopefully will get you a little more in the Christmas spirit as we are decorating a Fendt tractor with green, red, and a little bit of white Christmas lights. So we will dive right into this, and again, thank you to that great subscriber. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. It is another -2, -3 degree day. We're gonna right now get up into a Fendt 716 and fire it up and then bring it into the shop. And I will show you what we got on the go today. So I went to Canadian Tire and I bought some lights. So we got some white Christmas lights, some red Christmas lights, and some green Christmas lights, as well as an extension cord. So we are gonna be decorating that Fendt tractor, and then I believe we will be bringing it out and putting it on the mound. And now we just gotta get the last of the lights. So I have brought the Fendt inside, and I strung out just the one set of lights to see how long it actually is. And it's not as long as I thought. So I'm sure we're gonna have to get more lights, but we'll do as much as we can and then get more lights and keep going. So we ran out pretty fast on those green ones. As we can see, that's 1 and then 2. So I will have to be going to the store and getting a bunch more. But I got the red ones now for in the wheels. I need to now figure out a spot to hook them on and see if I can do it in here or if I have to do it outside once this thing gets parked. And then I got some white ones also, and I'm gonna try and put them on the roof and hopefully they'll stay, but we'll see how these red ones go. So it is now Saturday, day number 2 of this video. I went and picked up a bunch more lights to finish off this Fendt 716. We bought a bunch more green and a few more red to hopefully finish off this side and a couple more on the other side. So we need to get on this so we can get it out on the mound and start showing it off. So we have the majority of the lights strung up, just nothing on the wheels. And we have it all in the cab here, but I am gonna quickly back this thing out and move it to the mound. I gotta be careful closing this door because there are lights there, but if I just let it sit like that, I should be all right. So we got the lights completed and all on this Fendt tractor. It was a real big pain in the butt doing these tires, that's for sure. I don't know if you can see, I just put some staples just in the very tips of those lugs just to hold on the lights, but everything else is just kind of zip tied on. I could trim that off, but yeah, it looks a little funny. Well, it's kind of hard to tell when it's just sitting out here in the daylight, but it'll look really good once the sun goes completely away and it's nighttime. So I don't know how much longer I'll be around. Hopefully I'll be around to see it at night and I can get that on camera for you. But now I'm gonna go and start washing a Case tractor, a Puma. We got it on trade and just gonna get it cleaned up and then maybe park it outside and hopefully it sells. Well, we have the case all washed up now. Looks a lot better than what it did. I still need to do the cab as it's a little dirty in here, but the outside sure looks a lot better. So it's gonna sit now for the rest of today, tomorrow, as well as maybe a bit of Monday. Make sure it's completely dried out, and then Monday morning I will do the cab and then we will pull it out and hopefully sell it. I apologize if it's very windy, but we stuck around till it got dark, and look at that thing. Geez, that looks good. This part's a little bit squared off, but I really like it. So we got the green pretty much everywhere. We got the white on the roof and the red around the wheels. It is very windy. You can see those lights are getting blown around. But I must say, I really like the way this looks. Well, that is going to be it for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and a subscribe also, because that would really help me out. And let me know down in the comment section below what you think of that Fendt all lit up. Does it look good, or would you have changed it up and done something a little bit different? But that's it, and thank you for watching.